Assalamualaikum. This is unboxing of SG106. I am very excited about its unboxing because I was waiting for this drone camera quadcopter for over 15 days. It has dual cameras, remote control quadcopter. It has following functions. It is follow me mode, gesture control, gesture photo, gesture recording, Wi-Fi connection, smart food control, altitude hold, one key taking off, one key landing, and auto home. It is follow me mode. It has optical flow positioning. And there's it is dual camera 4K and black in color. Oh, let's open it now. Here. It has small booklet having some directions to use it, app operating guide, 3D action operation, headless trajectory flight. It is also in Chinese and English in language. Oh, it has a quadcopter with fins, not so big in size, can easily be placed on my hand. It has remote control. Okay, I will open it again. And some spare parts to protect the wings and some spare wings, cable, etc. It is power buttons, so when it starts blinking lights, these are pedals. Here we have battery which can be charged with cable. It has also shelters for the pedals, 1, 2, 3, 4 pedals, and tripod protection of wings. The remote control of it is also a bit simple for the beginners. It can easily be opened. It has also spare pedals and the cable to charge the quadcopter. It has four pedals, the cable, and small screwdriver. Its remote control is also easy. You can use it without any problem. Even the beginners, it can be opened like this. Here we place the mobile phones. It has antenna, speed. It is speed button. It is return button. Up and down, stop. It can also be used to stop the quadcopter, to take photos, to take video. Headless, 3D roll. It has a beautiful function of 3D roll. Now we have already placed the battery within the remote control and have turned on the power of the remote by placing the mobile here and moving the rocker up and down. Now it's time to take a test drive. Let's try what would happen. Not a bad try, but it's clearly showing that we have to check this thing outside, not within the home. It has two cameras, one by the side and one below the drone.
good. I got this stuff. Inside here already, so here's the switch. Try the switch to play too.
I got this at the Mauer wood stuff, you know, behind right alone. It's crazy noisy. Check her out.